Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change time on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Okay, after that here you can scroll down and then press additional settings here. Okay, and then you can click on date and time option. And then you can turn off this one. Plus you can change the time on your device as you need. Okay, and then the times on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change time on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.